Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my top 5 favorite hair products for this spring. All of the products mentioned will be listed in the description box down below. Let's start with my first favorite product. This is the Volume Builder Mousse by Matrix Style Link. Now, I love this mousse. It gives me lightweight volume, it does not make my hair crunchy or sticky, it also smells amazing, like so clean and fresh, and all I have to do is shake well, apply to clean damp hair, and blow dry. Now, the second product I'm going to mention is the Power Dry Me Spray by Design Me. So it's a blow dry lotion that you spray into the hair and it decreases the blow dry time by 50%. It's also a heat protectant, has anti-frizz, and makes my hair so silky and smooth. Coming in number 3 is the Italo Luminoso Dryer by BabylissPRO. This has an extremely powerful motor and a super strong airflow, and I mean extremely fast drying time. Like, it only takes my hair 15 minutes to style a blowout. Also, this hairdryer has a long lifespan. I've had mine personally for about 3 years now. This also has ceramic heat technology, and that helps keep my hair's natural hydration. Also has 2 different heat settings, 2 different speed settings, and a cool shot for extra shine. The fourth product I want to mention is the Pure Boar Cushion Paddle Brush by Leandro Limited. Because this brush is 100% boar tail bristles, using this regularly helps prevent oil buildup on the scalp. This redistributes the scalp's natural oils for a smooth and shiny finish. Since I've been using this product almost every day, I haven't been using dry shampoo in over 4 months. Last product I want to mention is the Head & Shoulders Smooth and Silky Hair Conditioner. If you're like me, I suffer from dry scalp, I sometimes have dandruff, and this really moisturizes and soothes my scalp, and it also leaves my hair really soft and silky too. Not only is it good for a dry scalp, but it also controls frizz up to 24 hours. It also has a very fresh and fruity floral scent. There you have it. Now you know my top 5 favorite hair products this spring. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you all next time.
Now please enjoy the additional bloopers.